Hi artists, welcome back. This is Zuri. If you drew this character with me in part 1, you are ready. Today we're painting K-pop demon hunter Rumi to make it extra special for someone you care about or, for yourself. Now, if you haven't seen the video of me drawing Rumi, if you want to learn, the link for that video will be in the description box below. All right, everybody, let's get to painting. Whew. I have all of my supplies already ready to go. Only thing you're going to need is just your Rumi drawing. You're going to need paint brushes, water to wash off those paint brushes with, some paper towel, tissue for cleanup, and of course all of our beautiful colors that we're going to be painting with today. Remember to use whatever paint that you have, and remember to use whatever colors you want. This is your painting. So first I'm going to start off with my background color. I chose the color pink, and the reason why is because I want this painting to be bright and I want it to be magical. We're mixing my pink by adding a little bit of red into a whole bunch of white. Now, depending on how dark of a shade you want your pink to be, just add more red. I'm going to mix that up and I'm going to add this to my background. With the exception of her body area down here, I'm going to start outlining her with black. So now I'm going to move into her hands and her face. I'm going to start by mixing in a little bit of white to my brown here, and that's going to be the skin tone color. I did go in and outline her clothing area and her hands with just a little bit of brown. We have gotten her face and her hands painted in. Let's start painting in the mouth area. Now let's do the hearts. Now let's paint in her purple hair. Let's start now painting in the outfit area. Okay, everybody, so we are about to get down to the end of this painting. I'm going to start putting in the little details and we'll be done. Look at that, everybody. A beautiful painting of Rumi that you can give as a gift or you can keep as your own. I even framed this painting so it can be hung on the wall for all to see. So like, comment, and subscribe, everybody, and I will see you all in the next art tutorial. Bye-bye.